everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, I have my dad again. It's become like a thing for me to post at least one video with either my mom or dad. Also, one more thing, my dad is really close to 2000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna leave his link in the description box below. As always, he has no idea what we're doing. So today, basically, there's this thing going around on the internet. I haven't seen any Indian YouTuber do this yet, but basically asking your parents questions that you can't really ask your parents.
Alright.
So, lots of scandalous questions he's going to answer. So let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so we'll start easy. The first question is, what do you think about makeup and what do you think about me wearing so much of makeup?
Makeup, I think, is like an art, and it's on individual to individual basis. So I never judge people whether someone is doing makeup or whether not doing makeup. Even males, they also do makeup, right?
Wow.
So, but
So
little,
progressive.
not much. But most of the males also now are putting up cream. Even I put the
Night cream.
day cream, and as well as night cream also. And of course, I also put up little bit of powder. So it's fine. I'm fine with it.
Also, what do you think about me wearing so much of makeup?
It's your profession, and in this profession I think it is required, because what you look without camera and what you look in camera, there is a great difference. So you have to you know
You think I look different with and without makeup?
yeah, of course, that everyone will say.
Yeah, I mean, I agree too. Next question is, what are your thoughts on periods and do you get grossed out by periods?
If you talk about me, if you remember, I only taught you
I
the
was going
biology
to say
part,
that I didn't
right?
know
So
you
you were maybe in 7th
would.
or
No, 6th.
6th, and I taught you the whole menstrual cycle, so you know me.
Yeah.
That it is just a part of human body, so you have to accept it.
So, by the way, for context, my dad is a chemistry professor and he used to also even teach biology back in the day. And I remember when I was in 6th standard, instead of my mom like sitting down and explaining me how periods works, my dad was the one who explained, because he could explain better, like more scientifically. So I remember him telling me all of that. So yeah. Next question is, what according to you is a perfect age to start dating?
Perfect date. There is no
No,
perfect.
perfect date nahi, perfect time. Like how old you should be when you should start having a boyfriend or girlfriend or start dating.
In this new age, though, puppy love starts. So I can see my 9th class students also have their boyfriends and girlfriends. So I don't think so there is a perfect age. But the moment you become somewhere, I think 18, you start thinking laterally. You start thinking about the future, or in different ways. Means you are mature enough, maybe, because most of my students after 17, when I meet them in after finishing their 12th, they come and meet me when they are doing their engineering. They are different people, metamorphized people. So I think, I feel at the age of 18 or 19 they become mature. You can date.
How old were you when you had a girlfriend, first girlfriend?
My first girlfriend was in 11th, of course.
So you
She
were
was in 9th.
60.
So she was in 9th, 2 years younger to me.
You were 16 or 17.
I was 16.
11th at like 16 or 17. Okay, next question is, have you ever done any type of drugs? You're thinking. એટલે કર્યા?
We have taken recently, last February, when we had gone to Jaisalmer, we had gone to some special Prajati, I don't remember. That Prajati we had gone, and he had given me some, I don't know which narcotic drug, he had given it to me, but nothing happened. So I think it was
When did this
was weed.
happen?
I think it was weed, and that weed was given it to me, and nothing else.
But have you done it when you were in college?
No, never.
Never.
Never. I had taken, but I don't think so. Always I say no to drugs, no to cigarettes, right? They are not good for our body.
Right. Okay, so what if you found out I was doing drugs?
See, first of all, very difficult this young age to actually determine in the initial stage. But if I'm going to find out, of course, the only way is to take you to the, what that center is called? Rehab.
No, but
center.
rehab, you have to go to a rehab if you are addicted. I'm just saying, what if
Once you start taking drugs, you are going to be addicted. There is no doubt about it.
maybe?
Whether you are cigarette smoker, people start vibrating. shaking, you can see so many celebrities or so many people around you, or even you are alcoholic. See, anything in excess is poison. But drugs, when you are talking about narcotic drugs, I teach in chemistry also. They are very dangerous, and we call them under the category of analgesics. So they are very dangerous analgesics. Only it is given under the supervision of doctors.
Right. So, have you ever seen, talking more about drugs, you've seen weed. Okay, even I've seen what weed looks like. Have you ever seen, what else? I don't
Poppy.
even know that. Poppy?
Poppies.
No, have you seen white color का powder क्या होता है? Heroin
Heroin.
Ganja. नहीं, ganja is weed
Ganja
only.
is तो,
weed only. Have you ever seen the white?
Never seen.
Okay, neither have I. Okay, moving on to the next question is, what would you do if I came home drunk? Like if I'm like tumbling and stumbling on the floor and I'm full drunk, what would you do? What would your reaction be?
That time there will be no reaction. That time we will take care. But next morning, of course, we are going to explain it to you. And at the age of 20 or 19 or 20, there is no way to be violent. So very simple. You can only explain it to the child, and it's your life. It's
My
not
mom is
life.
sitting behind the camera and smiling. I think I might do like a part 2 with my mom with a different set of questions if you like. My mom's going like this. Okay, coming to the next question. How old were you when you first drank alcohol?
I drank at a very young age because my father was in Air Force. So he was very free. That's why I think so many genetic characters I got it from him only. So I am very liberal in that way, and means he was also very liberal. So I think he gave me a little bit of beer when I was in 10th, after my maybe 10th exams. So maybe I was 15 only that time. He had given me, and once you get, because in my home always there was rum, because you get it from your quota system, canteen system. You always have beer, wine, and everything is next to you. You are never going to be attracted.
That is true
towards
actually.
it.
When I have had a lot of friends whose parents would try to like really hold them back and restrict them, and those are the kinds of like people who really go out and get drunk. I can have, even mere ghar pe there's all sorts, I mean not all sorts of, there's wine and beer is always there, but I never like want to go and get drunk and stuff like that. So yeah, you're right. Jitna pakad ke rakho utna they want to. Yeah. Okay. Next question is, what is the best thing and the worst thing about being a parent?
Best thing about being a parent is that I feel, कभी सोचा नहीं actually, because I am very different guy. Earlier means I believe in double income single kid as we were growing. Of course now my wife is doing volunteer work. So someone should be there in your life whom you are going to take care. I always love toddlers, small kids. जब तक बच्चा बोलता नहीं है बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I love those. जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं अलग तरह के stress होते हैं, but fortunately we didn't get. I don't know how this 21 years are being gone.
I'm 22.
22. So 22 years are being gone. We don't know really, right? We have lived our life. अगर हमको कोई टूर पे भी जाना है, we ask her once, twice. My question is only thrice. If you're not coming, Bhavna and me leave. Right?
Yeah, they
So
went
we
to
had done
Turkey, Turkey, and then a lot of places actually.
lot of places we had gone alone.
Yeah.
So
but then I don't go because of videos or whatever other reasons.
yeah, even in young age also, means when she was young, we used to leave her at Nani's place. If she is interested, she can come. Otherwise, not a problem.
No, I'm asking him what are the merits and demerits. Divert. So positive to is, what is positive? Tell me what is
Positive is someone is there whom you are observing. As I said, means as a toddler, as a child, you are observing them. You are learning from them. I don't think so. Means I have never thought of it.
Okay,
And
tell
what
me what's
is-
negative.
Means in our case, we did not face any negative. Maybe there must be, because new generation always, as I am always with youngsters, so they say there is a new technique called DINK, double income, no kid. So that system will also come where there will be double income but no kid. So one is called DISC, which we are following, and there will maybe a DINK. So I don't see any negative point in it.
Are you okay with me swearing, like saying bad words?
No, because I don't swear.
Yeah.
You know that. I don't swear. My wife doesn't swear.
Yeah.
So even Means even in my group also, if everyone is swearing, but I never swear.
Yeah.
Means without swearing also you can give your expressions.
Yeah. Do you think I swear or do I not swear?
Of course, I know you swear. But not much next to me.
Yeah.
But in your friend circle, of course, I know you swear.
Okay, next, moving on. What would you do? Like, what would your reaction be if you found out I was gay, lesbian?
No reaction.
No reaction.
I am very okay with everyone. Every human being, whatever nature has given, right? So I am fine because I am having my friends who are gay. It's fine.
Okay. Cool. That's nice. Nice to hear. Next, and the last question is, what are your thoughts on live-in relationships?
I am fine with live-in relationship.
What are your thoughts on it?
Thoughts are mainly, see, when you are living, you may, because when we are dating, that time we always see the positive points of each other and we try to impress each other. But when you are living 24 hours a day or throughout with someone, then all pros and cons are going to be exposed. Whether you want it or not, it is going to be exposed. If not in one day, second day, third day, or first month or second month, it is going to be exposed. So your tantrums, right? When you are going to be volatile, when you are going to, or you are as cool as cucumber. So all those things you can make it out. How the person is reacting under unfavorable conditions, how the person is behaving when you are not in a mood. That means everything is going to be done. We were unfortunate that during our time it was not there.
I knew
But
you would say that.
It's fine. Fortunately, good life.
What would your reaction be if I told you I want to get into a live-in relationship?
It's fine for me because now you are 21.
22!
22, but 21 you have crossed, so you can take your own decisions. I'm fine with it.
Okay, cool. Alright, I think that's really about it to today's video. Do let me know what you thought about this video. Subscribe to his channel, and also if you want me to do kind of like a part 2 with my mom, she's saying no, but I'll make her. Leave questions down in the in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and his channel as well. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!